Hello and welcome back to my garden. Today I will add flowers to the terrace and potting table by planting pansies and violas in pots. Make sure to watch till the end to see the finished result. I'm using a multi-purpose potting compost. For the terracotta pots on my terrace, I have chosen white pansies. Once the pot is filled with compost, planting is easy. Just pop them out of the container and place them on the soil. As I mentioned before, I like to use plastic containers in my terracotta pots to make it easier to swap plants when they have finished flowering. I'm placing 5 plants in this 5-liter pot, as I like to get an instant display full of flowers. And finally fill the gaps with some more compost. The reason for choosing white flowering pansies is that they brighten up the garden during the dark winter days. Like little lights, they light up the garden. I prefer pansies over large flowering violas. In my experience, pansies, if you keep on deadheading them, will flower all winter long, no matter the weather. When it freezes, the flowers will start drooping, but when they defrost, they will continue to flower as if nothing has happened. Violas, however, tend to stop flowering when it gets colder and start to flower again when it gets warmer at the end of winter. As you can see, these plants have a nice healthy root system. How beautiful is that? A bouquet of flowers. For my side table, I have chosen these pale yellow flowering violas. They will go in smaller terracotta pots, so 3 violas in a container will be more than enough. I like to top dress them with moss to cover and soften the edge of the plastic containers. Never take moss out of a forest. At this time of the year, most garden centers sell boxes of moss as Christmas decoration. I think the yellow violas work really well with the color of the winter hardy ferns. During winter I will add some more bulbs to this table as well. Two containers of pansies will go to the back of my garden next to the wooden bench. And now you can see the reason for using plastic containers. It is very easy to lift the agapanthus and swap them with pansies. Even though it's autumn, it is important to water the pansies after planting. I like to cover the plastic edges of the pots with some moss. It looks a little bit more natural. And yeah, these pansies will do very well during winter. They keep on flowering if you just keep heading them. And these agapanthus, they've done really well this summer. Nice root system. and they're going to overwinter somewhere frost-free, just like this big agapanthus, but it still looks nice for now. But I'm going to replace this one with a winter hardy fern. I will show you that a little bit later. I'm really happy with the end result. I think it looks very nice. Let me know what you think of it and if you're growing pansies or other flowers in winter as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you ever so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you next time.